guys, back with another video. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell.
When are you doing your video? Right when we get home, so I can know when I'm in my kitchen and put my stuff in my kitchen.
I'm recording right now. Sorry guys, that is my mom, the best mom in the world. She cooks the best food in the world. We will be showing y'all a tutorial how she makes these great dishes, so stay in tune for that. Oh, mom. But put hashtag moms in the comments, guys. But yeah. Let's go. Today we will try our hardest to collect the sunlight wolf. Yeah, the sunlight wolf.
Guys.
Oh!
I swear I heard something busting through my door, but I didn't know. Oh, that's when I died a few minutes ago, guys. Oh, look at that. I'm scared because give me my sword. At least he didn't have the armor. If he had the armor, bro, I was about to get demolished. Yeah. But why are we putting on this song? Because I don't want to find a golden nine-tails and not be prepared. Golden nine-tails, they literally, we might kill, if we ever find one, we might tame it or kill it. Well, our first one. I think we'll kill it because we can get like Naruto armor. Maybe one Naruto armor. Versus like, bro, this dude broke my jaw. Let's go, guys. We gotta find my ender pearl. Nether portal I used to have. Gotta find it. Can't be too far away from this village. I used to be able to walk literally there to here. Until I like slept in one of the beds and I got a spawn point, so can't be too far away. I don't see no night moonlight wolf. And why don't I so excited for them? Cause like literally their blue white kind of look is so cool. And y'all see the moonlight dragon we have that have start I guess living in our cave. I'm probably gonna let Ariel have because she loves like literally moonlight crystals in real life and moonlight like sapphires. They kind of look like moonlight crystals. She loves all that stuff, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna love them. So I'm gonna keep this for her. So yeah, I don't really see another portal yet. Another village though. Oh, these are half fire, half moonlight wolf, but why is there skin like that? I know they're half fire, half moonlight, but that's weird. I don't even have bones. I used to have bones. Y'all saw me in the last episode. Drop. Drop. You gonna give me bones for the other one? I believe it. I feel so bad. I really don't even like killing animals in real life. Actually, I used to be a hunter. I'm just kidding. My dad, like, for real, we love nature. But we're not no little, easy guys. Like, for real. We can get a little grit and a little and sacred. But, yeah. I really can't find this nether portal. And I'm scared we're gonna lose the village. I'm not even sure if that is our village yet. Okay, I remember it was by a rift. A water rift. Caves just like this. Okay, we might actually find it. Oh, there it is. But what the heck was that? I don't like that. I don't like that sound, but here at least we found it. But I don't like that sound. At all. I'm not sure if you do these kind of stuff, like, you get them. They're natural, like, kind of stuff. I think there's some type of, like, gems or something. But for real, I look so cool without my armor and with my armor on, bro. Yeah. No, bro, I want to swim down with the turtle. Oh, bro. Ooh, we gotta visit here more. We definitely have to. Ooh. Do I get the salmons here? Literally, easily get. Oh, there's a lot of drowns. Ooh, but a free salmon. Oh no, he's getting down there. Oh, it's getting dark. No, I don't like this. Like, if I want to know where salmon's worth all this. Okay, maybe this one. Looks like he's not going up. Yeah, looks like these guys like to stay up. Light to run. I love the running types. I think he's actually like noticing them. Because I know like certain animals, they have this power where they avoid other mobs. But I think he's literally gonna get locked up. But that's not. Oh no. We're done. Water dragons. We're done. We're actually done. Water dragons split you out with slowness and do tons of damage. This place is beautiful, and why you put like you come in looks like we're not welcome at all. Okay, we're taking way too much damage. Like, literally, I have netherite on. We shouldn't be taking this much. Literally. I really am not even sure. It is no way. That's insane. Okay, this time I'm running fiery. Cause the dragons was way too strong. No, we'll keep you here. I don't want you getting hurt. Oh yeah, this is like I'm pretty sure it was in the sand area, so it wasn't really in the sand area. I love flying on steel. Here's the village. We'll probably go visit there later, but right now we are on a mission. Yes. There are wolves. We didn't even go nowhere near there. There it is. I'm pretty sure I found out did not actually burn kind of like the other armors in lava, so we're pretty good. Just don't let the shoot breath. I'm pretty sure we don't us. So let me go on and stir down and go. Oh no. It's like oh, he can't go. Okay. If I can't see you, I'm gonna die. Like your home kind of town, like because fire dragons they can like evolve where they become these dragons that live in the nether. So literally like these guys are evolved. This is a boy. The girl's kind of like a light caramel. Welcomed at all here. That's not what we came. Literally, I think we already lost the Oh, let's make it out alive this time. Guys, leave a comment below a name for my boy, but other than that, bro, it literally changes day. It's so weird. Oh no. Let's go and take this dude out. I wish I found a weapon. I'm not going to lie. I'm about to go in creative and get it back. Somebody drowned. There's no drown who hit me. That was a whole water dragon who sprayed the crap out of me. I think it means I drowned. Because I literally drowned it in water. Oh, we're done. Yeah, it's raining. At least we got the lights out, so they'll leave us alone. Oh, and the doors are not fixed yet. What is that? That was annoying. We need like some type of this is all we got. Put it on. Let's go. And I'm not even proud, but that doesn't give me crown, 'cause I try not to stay around. And grass is brown. And the spider to make the sound. I really don't have any doors. Oh yeah, there's a door. I think doors is broken. Yeah, no villagers live here. No way. Where? Celebrating joy. I'll get you a new door. Okay. And the next one, y'all probably see me with a sunlight, which is always fixed. In the next one.